Is this Disney hotel a disaster?
So I'm at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott at Flamingo Crossings.
A disaster?
Yeah.
No. It's one of my go-to hotels. First one on the right does the job, but there's one thing about the mornings you need to know about before you book. I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you.
Room is very good. It's a suite with a kitchenette, which is a nice addition, bonus. You rate this at 8 out of 10. You have your appliances that you see here in the video. The TV is upgraded. It's nice. It's digital. It's got a sofa. I had a king bed this night. You can, of course, get a double bed, 2 queen beds, whatever you need. They also have...
I did the homework so you don't have to. Stay in all 36 hotels. Full tours inside. Choose the area you want to stay in. Pick your top 3 hotels and watch in fast speed. Book with confidence in under an hour.
A laundry basket, a hair dryer, ironing board, plenty of closet space, microwave, a dishwasher, water pressure, and an additional sink is nice, a stovetop. The refrigerator is actually really cool. You can make ice there. There's not an ice maker in the room. Pots and pans and dishes. The counter had a little bit of scuff on the doors here, on the cabinets. I think it was just this room. Somebody must have done that recently. The TV is digital. I don't know if it comes through pixelated here or not. I can't really tell, but it's upgraded. It's new. Works very well. The screen's not huge, but it's adequate for me. It's got about 90 channels. You can also connect to YouTube. The walls are thick here. It's quiet down the hallways. Mostly it's families that are staying here. I rated that 9 out of 10. Very nice. No real partying going on. Has a great number of outlets. Very important these days. Outlets in the walls. You got USBs in the clock. Also in the lamp. Outlets on the wall. 2 right near the bed and behind the bed. The breakfast is free. It's large. It's clean. I rate this a 9 out of 10. This can be a huge bonus for those with a family of 4. It's free. It comes with a room. So there are plenty of items here. Can get you a good big meal before you go to Disney World, one of the parks where you know it's going to be expensive. So this is a nice bonus here at the TownePlace Suites. You can see all the food and milk and juice.
As I said, TownePlace is one of my go-to hotels, but you do have to know it's built for groups. Go watch this 9 buses video and see how breakfast can get packed.
The exact same thing. This is what I was worried about last night when I rolled in. All of the spaces were empty, but when I woke up this morning, charter buses, hotel was full. Hey, that's something that Expedia and influencers pushing affiliate sites, they're just probably not going to be able to tell you. I've toured all 36 hotels, have them on video. Don't guess. Just know what you're booking.
Scrambled eggs, ham, sausage. It'll be bacon some days. Yeah, pre-made Mickey waffles out in a hot pan. You can also make your own individually. The exercise room has high quality. I like it a lot. I give it a 9 out of 10. You have the free weights over here on the right, the dumbbells, a couple of benches, a few universal pull-down machines, leg extensions, leg curls, a bench press, several treadmills, a couple of bikes. All the equipment's in good shape. Everything, when I was there, worked. And it's a large room. It's right there in front of the pools, beside the game room, right beside the hot tub.
Come inside and see the full 10-minute walkthrough, the shower, the shuttle, the pool, everything. I did all the homework for you. You don't want to watch 36 videos, you want to watch the game.
Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.